Right, I'm on my own. Sad. And it's the last day, so double sad. We had chips at the Helios restaurant for lunch, so Maria was able to join us there. And also, we had someone come and say hello to us. Liz, nice to finally meet you. And hope you guys have a wonderful week. I think you're in for more sunshine, so looking good for another very picturesque week on the mountains. If you do happen to recognise this orange jacket and these green ski trousers on the mountain, feel free to come say hello. Always nice to meet people who have seen these videos. Always nice to meet fellow skiers and boarders who enjoy coming to Flaine and share their stories. Anyway, I am just getting in the last few runs before it's time to put the board back in the bag, and the skis back in the bag, and all the camera gear back in the bags, and the drone in the bag. So much packing. Right, last few runs. Right, bags packed, all done. A couple of quick thank yous. Big thank you to Go Massive Transfers. Brilliant as always. Cheers Matt and the team there. And big thank you to everyone at Pierre Vacances Helios Apartments, because as always the staff have been excellent. So thanks for having us. Don't think there's anything left to say. Sorry there Mike. I just want to give a extra massive thanks to everyone who helped us back on the journey home, obviously with Maria's leg. We needed some extra special assistance, and I just want to give a huge thank you to everyone at Geneva Airport, all the staff at EasyJet, and the ground support also at Bournemouth Airport. They were all phenomenal in assisting in getting the wounded Maria home, so don't want to miss that out because they deserve some serious thanks. We just breezed through the airport like nothing before. So Geneva Airport, probably gone from my worst airport to probably one of my best, but I'm sure they've seen many an injury being so close to so many ski resorts. Anyway, just want to chuck that in. Sorry, back to Mike and Flaine. Right, all that leaves me to say is thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh, and here are our best bits. Well, VT.